Hello everyone, this will be my review on Pierre Cardin Momento. It's also another fountain pen from the Pierre Cardin pen company. This is the box provided. It's 250 as of today, this year. This is the box. Let's open this thing. This is we have a slide converter here. Sorry for the red spots. These are for, I used a red ink once. The slide converter, which doesn't hold much ink, but still. And the cartridges provided are extra long so that you can write for a long time. These are quite good, but I would prefer using my own ink. Anyways, this is the pen. As you can see, the pen is quite good looking, sophisticated. It's good for the price, and the cap and all finishing is, the cap is golden. The finishing is quite shiny and metallic, and it's a little heavy to hold. Unposted, it's still heavy to hold. The barrel is quite heavy. The feed section is a little transparent, but as we can see, the nib is quite small and seems a little hooded. And I don't know if you can see, there's no gradation on the nib. The feed is not finned. Wait, I can't focus it. Okay, this is the feed here. The nib is quite interesting because it's quite small as compared to the normal fountain, the classic nib, but the build is quite strong, and the finishing is good. This is the cartridge that we have, and you can also use a converter here, but the converter doesn't hold that well. That's the only problem that I have faced recently. Anyways, the pen is quite good to hold. It feels a little heavy, but still. Now let's see the writing sample. This is the Pierre Cardin Momento. The ink is Daytone red plus standard Pierre Cardin cartridge, so that's why it's a little maroonish in color. Let's see some line variations. As you can see, there is no skipping. This is the line variation that we can get. At much, the nib is quite strong. It can't be flexed that much, but there is no skipping, as we can see. Let's write the sentence: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And the nib is smooth, and I would say the nib is fine, not Asian fine, Western fine, German fine, not like the Japanese fine medium. It's quite fine in nature. And what else? The flow is wet. All on over, this is a good pen for the price, 250. The difference between this pen and the other fountain pen of Pierre Cardin, that is Vienna, is that this pen is that it's quite thick in structure, but this pen is quite slender. It kind of looks like the Waterman pens, I think, Waterman Hemisphere, I guess. So anyways, I hope you like this review, and if you have any suggestions, please to comment.